excursions will allow you to get under the skin of this magical island. You can find out more about Sri Lanka's offbeat tours or other exciting activities as part of your holiday. Our tours are some of the most unique in Sri Lanka. Most of our tours are only available to our clients. Our holidays aim to show the country's fabric in a unique way. Our holidays aim to show the country's fabric in a unique manner. We hope that they will enhance your holiday and make you feel connected to the people of Sri Lanka. Our excursions are designed with sustainability in mind and local interests in mind.